In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a GoDaddy domain to Squarespace step by step so you can connect your custom domain to your website quickly and without confusion. This is a really useful process if you already bought your domain from GoDaddy and now want to use it on your Squarespace site. Once you know the exact steps, it only takes a few minutes to get started. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials. Let's jump in. First, go to Squarespace in your browser and sign into your account. After you log in, open the website you want to connect your GoDaddy domain to. Make sure you're selecting the correct site if you manage more than one, because the domain will be connected to the website you choose here. Once your site is open, look for the Settings area. Inside Settings, find and click Domains and Emails. This is where Squarespace lets you manage all domain-related options for your site, including connecting a domain you already own. Now you should see an option that says, Use a domain I own. Click that to begin the connection process. Squarespace will now ask you to enter the domain name you purchased from GoDaddy. Type it in carefully, exactly as you registered it, and then press Enter. If you own the root domain, enter that version of the domain without extra words or mistakes. After Squarespace recognizes the domain, it will give you the option to connect it. Choose Connect Domain to move forward. At this point, Squarespace may guide you through the next steps for linking the domain properly, depending on your domain setup. In many cases, you may need to confirm ownership or update DNS settings in GoDaddy so the domain points to Squarespace correctly. If that happens, follow the instructions carefully and make sure you copy each value exactly. Small typing errors can stop the connection from working, so take your time and double-check everything before saving. Once the domain is connected, give it a little time to fully update across the internet. Domain changes can sometimes take a short while to begin working properly, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. After the connection finishes, your GoDaddy domain should be linked to your Squarespace website, and visitors will be able to reach your site using your custom domain. This is a simple but important step if you want your brand to look professional online and keep everything in one place. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a GoDaddy domain to Squarespace. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.